The race is on, near at hand by the rail. On the outside is Flight on Time, Daman Surya. Work of Heart, Racing Port alongside is Butcherer and Home Run Babe. Near at hand by Alang, followed by Daman Surya. Flight on Time, Racing third from the outside. Work of Heart down on the inside fourth. Passing the half-mile post, near at hand by Alang and a half, followed by Daman Surya. Flight on Time, Racing third by a length and a half, and here comes Work of Art, Butcherer, and Home Run Babe. Rounding the far turn, near at hand, this time by about 2 lengths, the Mansuria. Flight on Time on the outside, Work of Art, Home Run Babe. Moving up by the Ralam Butcherers, now running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner, near at hand by about 2 lengths. Work of Art is on the outside, Home Run Babe, and nearing the finish line, near at hand. Work of Art is on the outside. It's now Work of Art, near at hand, Home Run Babe, and nearing the last 50 meters, it's Work of Art. And finally, Work of Art, near at hand, Home Run Babe, Right on Time, Butcherer, and Daman Surya.